Kerry, thank you very much indeed. Now, are you thinking about your tea? You're always thinking about your tea. And maybe a trip to the local takeaway tonight? Well, hold that thought for a moment for the final instalment of Friday Fakeaway.
That was rather low budget, wasn't it? Yes. Over the past few weeks, we have been asking a Northwest chef to come up with some healthy eating options.
Hello, I'm Ellis Barrie from the Marangras. This is my restaurant here on Anglesey. We like to push local produce. We have our own pigs. We grow our own veg. It's all about locality. We've got this restaurant here. We're starting a tuition school, but we're opening a restaurant at the Albert Dock on Liverpool. I can't wait. We'll be bringing a lot of the Welsh produce over, some of our local suppliers. But when we get there, we're going to start finding a few more suppliers and bringing it into and incorporating it into the menu. Obviously, a lot of our own pork, some great quality fish. The thing about healthy food is that it doesn't have to be boring, it doesn't have to be a sacrifice. It can be big flavours, it can be scrumptious and moreish. I love the idea of a Friday night fakeaway. I'm going to go in with a burger. Everybody loves a burger. A burger. I'm going to get rid of all the carbs. No carbs on my burger whatsoever. We're going to replace the bun with some portobello mushrooms, which are lovely, big flavour, very beefy, and beef and mushroom goes absolutely perfect.
Looks pretty good, actually. Coming Victoria Grimes, she is on the 5th floor of our building here in Salford in the Granada Reports canteen.
I am. Indeed, Mr. Morris. We are in the Granada Reports canteen. This is where we all have our lunch. Here's lovely Sue, Sandwich Sue, and Jolly Janice, who look after us and make fabulous, fabulous lunches. And their kitchen has been overtaken this evening by the Mr. Ellis Barrie.
Croissant e burger.
What does that
Welcome
mean?
to my burger.
Welcome to my burger.
Bit of Welsh there for you.
Because you come all the way from Anglesey.
Yep.
What are you making for us tonight?
Right, so we've got some lovely burgers, very quick and easy.
Yep.
I'll just get these in the oven and I'll show you what I've done.
Okay.
A little bit of cheese on there.
You need cheese on a burger.
You've got to
don't
have
you?
cheese. This is a cheddar cheese. You can
And it
use
doesn't
whatever
matter,
cheese.
does it, if you've got
doesn't,
cheese on
no.
it, because it's not in a bread bun.
Well, this is it. This is it.
Okay.
Get them in there.
Get those in there. Lovely stuff. So talk us through how you put this burger
I will,
together.
but first
then.
we'll get the mushrooms in.
Oh, all right.
Yeah,
Okay.
got to get the mushrooms in, otherwise you won't have a burger. Sweet. We've got some lovely portobello mushrooms, a little bit of sesame seed on top of there, a little bit of salt, a little bit of tiny bit of oil because it's got to be healthy.
Yeah.
And that replaces our carb-free element.
Excellent.
That replaces our bun. We get
Okay.
a banging little mushroom bun instead. So here we've got our beef. This is really good quality lean beef. Now, just go to the supermarket, yourself some good beef. I've used Welsh beef, and we season that with a little bit of salt.
Yep.
And then you're going to mix that in with your hands. Get in there, give it a good mix.
Give it a proper good mix. Is
And
that
then-
for me? Right, I'll
yeah,
get
you
on
have that,
bit.
yeah.
Right.
And then pat it down.
Yeah.
Get yourself your cereal bowl. I mean, if you want this for breakfast, I suppose you can. But
But I tell you what, this is great. So you don't need any special cutters, do you?
no,
It's
no,
just
you could do with a little knife.
a little knife, yeah.
Yeah,
But
so
that's what it'll do. It does the job, and then you literally just pop it straight in the
Straight
frying
in,
pan.
yeah. Now, this, because we pat it out nice and thin, not only is it very reasonably cheap,
Yeah.
it's very quick to cook.
Quick,
So we
and
get
cheap,
that in.
and easy. That is exactly what we want.
Like so, nice big burger.
Straight in the pan. Wow,
Bish, bash, bosh.
look at that. Now, girls, do you think this is something that we're going to be taking on in the Granada Reports canteen in the future?
I better have been, you know, I've been here all day, do you know what I mean? Been carrying you all day.
I think Alice might be wanting to take them back to Anglesey with Matthew because they have been incredibly helpful.
So this
all
literally, nice
afternoon.
hot pan, this takes about a minute either side because we've got it nice and
Great
thin.
stuff.
So it's quick, it's easy, you can't complain.
And we will show you what it tastes like later. We've got some very special tasters.
Oh, good. I look forward. Charlene, thank you. Now, a few moments ago, Chef Ellis Barrie was telling us that everybody loves a burger and revealing how to cook a delicious but healthy one.
OK, let's put them to the test. It's Friday Night Fakeaway. I won't do the trumpet thing. Alice and our reporter Victoria Grimes are with us now. So, it looks good, I've got to say. So remind us again, what is it you've done with this, Alice?
So we've replaced the bun with a portobello mushroom, good
Right.
quality beef in there, and a banging Barrie sauce.
A banging Barrie sauce. Now,
No.
Tony, I think you should have the one
All
that
right,
I
so
made.
tell us...
Make
OK,
sure
well,
so
I'll
for
have
the
a go at that.
chef.
I'll
What's
reach
in
over.
go with that one.
What's in this Barrie
What's the-
sauce,
yeah.
then?
So
This Barrie sauce.
It's all on the website,
Okay.
but it used to be a secret recipe.
I was going to dive in.
And now-
You were
and
gonna
now
just
it's-
dive in
now
there,
it's
weren't
not.
you? Yeah,
so
no,
so
come
you're
on,
all
be
very
classy.
lucky because you got the secret recipe, which is now there.
For
But
all to see
Yeah.
online, and you can see how
And
Alice
you
put all
mean
this
you
together.
make it look easy, don't you? But for a lot,
that was fast.
that was fast even for you. But it looks sort of simple and calm. I find that very difficult.
Yeah.
It was a quick, a minute and a half. The mushrooms take 5 minutes. It's fast food and it's healthy. We've taken away the carb side of it, so you can't go wrong.
Okay, so what would you say to the people who've been at work all day and they think the last thing they want to do is walk in the kitchen and start chopping stuff up and decorating mushrooms with sesame seeds and stuff like that? They're going, I can't be bothered with all that, surely, Ellis, I can't be.
Well, when you taste it, you will be proper made up because you've got that mushroom there which complements the beef, and it literally takes 5 minutes. And you need to readdress your life if you haven't got 5 minutes.
That's a good answer. That's really tasty. That's really tasty.
And in your series, we've seen so many different variants of meals that you think, how could this be healthy? What do you think you'll take from it? Have you got any highlights?
Well, I think we've had a lot of fun with this, Rachel. It's been really, really eye-opening for me about how easy it is to create food that's healthy when you just substitute a few small things. And luckily for us, we've had these chefs who've been able to show us how to do it. Like, lovely.
And things that perhaps you wouldn't think of. I mean, that would never have occurred to me.
But can actually just make the difference between a healthy dish and something which you go the takeaway for and it costs you a lot more. So,
Ellis, I've got to ask you something, and this has been annoying me for about the last 3 years now. Why is it that you can go into burger places and they think it's okay to charge you £15 for a burger? When did it become okay to be £15 for a burger?
Well, if you're going out, you've got to enjoy it. Do you know what I mean? If that was in my restaurant, it'd be 25 quid.
Oh,
no, it's got to be sociable when you go out. Do you know what I mean? That's what you're paying for. Good night out.
But
this is that what? Am I being tight? Am I being tight and miserable?
But
is
this
that what
is
it
economical. This can be £1.50, £2 per person at home. It's economical. It's quick. It's easy. And it's healthy.
And it's delicious. It's
all right,
absolutely
fair enough.
delicious.
I will give you that. All right, I will give you that. Okay. So, Vicky, what would you say? You have to be careful with this answer now. What's been your favourite Fakeaway? Man's sitting right there, so try and
I know, I'm going to have to be really
cool.
careful with this, but I would say it has to be the Barrie Burger.
What kind of response have you had?
People love it, because you don't get, the mushroom adds a big depth of flavour. The sesame seeds on top, toasted up nicely in the oven, and good quality beef.
All right.
And there's lots of different flavours. I love it.
Ellis, thanks very much indeed. Thank you, Vicky, as well. Thank you for the whole series as well. It's all on the website. Let's get the weather now. It's going to be quite warm. Maybe we could have a barbecue with a burger. Here's Kerry.